The wife tries to escape this toxic family, but her spineless husband blocks the door. He threatens she can never return if she takes the child. Ignoring his empty threats, the wife walks out. Her husband tries to chase, but the arrogant mother-in-law stops him, believing she will come back begging. But she immediately returns to her loving parents' home. They welcome her and their grandchild with open arms, a safe haven. Her own mother reassures her she is now safe. They promise to support her and the child for the rest of their lives. The next morning, she tells her parents she has something important to handle. Her revenge plan is now officially in motion. She goes straight to a real estate agency and finalizes the deal to sell her property. The new homeowner confirms the remaining $8 million is being wired to her account now. The moment the money hits her account, she sends one cold text message. "We're getting a divorce." Then she blocks all of his contact methods immediately. She then calls the new homeowner, giving him the passcode. She tells him he can take possession of the house at any time. The husband is baffled by the divorce text, but his family just scoffs, telling him she's bluffing to get attention. His brother even suggests beating her when she returns to teach her a lesson. They are completely oblivious to the storm that's coming. After the husband leaves, the parasitic brother and his wife immediately plot to take over the master bedroom. They believe the house is now theirs for the taking. The wicked mother-in-law immediately agrees to her younger son's greedy demand. She smugly declares this will be the perfect lesson for the runaway wife. When the doorbell rings, the whole family shares a wicked smirk. They are absolutely certain the wife has come crawling back to beg for forgiveness. But standing at the door is the new homeowner, flanked by his assistants. He calmly announces he's here to take over his property. After the new owner presents the property deed, the entire family is left in shock. Yet the mother-in-law still stubbornly insists the house belongs to her daughter-in-law. The new owner is unfazed. He reveals that the wife has already sold the house to him, making him the legal owner. The aggressive brother-in-law snaps and lunges forward to attack, but is immediately subdued by the new owner's bodyguards. He gives them a one-hour ultimatum to pack their bags and leave before the police are called. Thinking he's bluffing, they refuse to move. Without a word, the new owner pulls out his phone and dials the police. Panic finally sets in. The mother-in-law collapses on the floor, wailing about how vicious and heartless the wife is. Meanwhile, the husband is in a crucial work meeting. He's forced to excuse himself after his phone buzzes non-stop with frantic calls. It's his hysterical mother. She screams into the phone that the wife sold their home and they're about to be kicked out. In a panic, he tries to call his wife, but she has already blocked his number and completely cut him off. Back at the house, the new owner rebukes their disgusting behavior, calling them a family of bloodsuckers who have been living off the wife's generosity. The brother-in-law argues with twisted logic. Since she married his brother, her property automatically became their family's property. Just then, the police arrive. The family immediately swarms them, crying and playing the victim card, but the officers are not fooled. At that moment, the husband arrives in a taxi. He frantically rushes towards the apartment building with a look of pure panic, completely ignoring his neighbors' greetings. A crowd of neighbors has gathered outside, gossiping loudly about the family's greed and how they finally got what they deserved. They specifically call out the parasitic brother-in-law's family for leeching off the wife for years, while bullying her relentlessly. The husband confronts the new owner, but police shut him down. The law is clear. They are now homeless. The ultimate payback is complete.